You can't, you won't, that is impossible. You might have already heard these negative comments throughout your life. Sometimes, when we hear these comments, it becomes so irritating that we try so hard, work so hard to prove them that they were wrong. But are we believing that we would make it happen? Today, I am going to tell all of you to believe. Believe in yourself. No matter who you are, where you are from, and what family background you are from. If you believe that you will be successful, you will be successful one day for sure. If you want something to happen, first you have to believe. The most important thing that we all have to realize is all the negative comments comes from the outside. It might be your teacher, it might be your friend, or it might be your family sometimes. They might stop you from what you want to do. They may call your dreams worthless. They may not see your vision. So, how could they know what you are really capable of? The only person who knows what you are capable of is you. It is only you. And if you believe in yourself, you can make the positive even out of the negative. Always remember the word cannot has a can in it. The word will not has a will in it. And most importantly, the word impossible itself says that I am possible. If you want someone to believe in you, first you have to believe in yourself. See you tomorrow.